Sheila, you have always been the person I want to spend my life with. I will be by your side through thick and thin. If you can't be 100 that day, I will lift you up and carry the extra weight, knowing that you would do the same for me.
Sheila always been my best friend, the person I could rely on no matter what. And now I look at her and see this strong, independent woman who I'm so incredibly proud of.
Eric is a very competitive person. He's not always super outspoken, and he doesn't always express himself emotionally, but he's always there when it matters most.
Thank you for reminding me of my strength and my worth when I'm struggling mentally. You make me feel I'm golden. You push me to be a better person, yet you love me for who I am.
Now I can call you my beautiful wife, my best friend. I love you so much and promise to never let you go. I am yours and you are mine. I love you.
I promise to nurture our relationship with kindness and patience, to keep our communication healthy, and to cherish our love with mutual understanding and respect. Let's invest in what we have built together and not chase the phantoms. I love you.
By the power vested in me by the great state of California, I hereby pronounce you husband and wife. You can kiss the bride.
I'm so happy for the both of you. We are all here because you trusted the universe and followed your heart.
Welcome to our family. You've always been part of our life, but today we're making it official. I cannot be happier to call you my brother-in-law.
To Eric and Sheila, may you have a lifetime of adventures filled with love, happiness, and friendship. Cheers.